This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, October the 22nd. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather and temperatures ever so slightly above average for the next couple of days around here, but a gradual cooling trend will take place, especially as we head into next week, just in time for Halloween. And rain chances. Do we have any of those in sight anytime soon? We'll take a look at it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 86 degrees, the high in the valley. 59 was that refreshing morning low, and that's just a little bit below those averages of 87 and 63. Outside now here at 7:35 a.m., sunny skies out there. We sit at 66 degrees at Sky Harbor, but it's still very dry. Dew point at 26, humidity 22%, the wind from the northeast at 9, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning, 45 at Fort McDowell, 48 Goldfield, but most of us are in the 50s and 60s. The upper air look across the country still have that very deep trough now over northern Wisconsin and Lake Superior. And windy and cold, rainy conditions for the northern plains and the Great Lakes states. Otherwise, here in the southwest, it's a dry northwesterly flow, keeping conditions very tranquil. The watch warning map is pretty quiet. Wind advisories for the northern plains, parts of the Dakotas, Minnesota, Iowa, Nebraska. You know the deal there. And the severe weather outlook for today, we've got a slight risk over parts of North Carolina, the broader marginal risk from around Jacksonville, Florida, up to Virginia Beach. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, nothing. The dry weather will continue for a while, and we'll get into the details of it now as we take a look at the models. Check it out. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And a dry northwesterly flow will continue at 594 ridge off the west coast. So, down at the surface, sunny skies today. Highs, upper 80s to low 90s. Tonight, clear. Lows in the 50s to low 60s. Tomorrow, carbon copy of today. Sunny, upper 80s and low 90s. Pretty close to 90 on Thursday, mostly sunny skies. Friday, a little bit of shortwave energy will move through the Intermountain West, and that should put the height fields down ever so slightly here. Highs mid to upper 80s. Pretty much the same deal over the weekend, too. See a few clouds, otherwise mostly sunny. Highs mid to upper 80s Saturday and Sunday. Some models indicate it could be cooler than that still. There's a degree of uncertainty, but that's the temperature range we'll go with for now. As we get to Monday, we start to see the ridge flattening out in response to more energy moving through the upper flow, but this far south, no precipitation in sight. High temperatures should back off into the low to mid 80s. And here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 29th, and conditions remaining dry with a westerly flow. And going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period. Thursday, the 31st, it's Halloween. Kind of a zonal flow, baggy, weak troughing off to the west. And that would mean a few clouds, but conditions dry, temperatures pretty close to average. Speaking of temperatures, checking those out off the GFS ensemble through the period, will remain warm for the next few days and then cool it off. You see those highs getting down to around 80 or so, overnight lows in the 50s. That looks good. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. And you guys have yourselves a fantastic Tuesday.